Germany welcomes qualified nurses with degree or diploma, salary around 1,80,000 rupees during the internship. Only 6-month internship for those who are having degree. 9 to 11 months for diploma holders. 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs salary while entering in permanent employment. Higher living standards, required salary, and many benefits. Those who have passed the German language B1 level will get the visa soon. More than 4 lakh vacancies for nurses in Germany. Bank balance or blocked bank account is not required. Stay back, PR, citizenship options are available. Family status is available. Candidates who have completed nursing degree or diploma and are studying language can apply. Access overseas careers. Migrate to your dream destination now.